Hi there! Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into pronunciation tips to help you sound more like a native English speaker. Pronunciation is a key part of learning any language, and improving yours will make you feel more confident and easier to understand in conversations. Good pronunciation isn't about having a perfect accent. It's about clarity and rhythm. By the end of this video, you'll know some essential tips to improve your pronunciation and start speaking English with ease. Let's start with word stress. In English, certain syllables in a word are emphasized or stressed. For example, present, a gift, versus present, to introduce something. Record, a noun, versus record, a verb. Practicing word stress helps you understand the meaning and sound more natural. Next, let's talk about sentence rhythm. English has a natural flow where important words like nouns and verbs are stressed, while smaller words like and, or, the are often reduced. For example, I want to go to the store. Notice how the main words are emphasized and the smaller words connect the sentence smoothly. Another tip is mastering difficult sounds. English has several sounds that might not exist in your native language, like teach. Practice words like think, thank, and both to get comfortable with this sound. A simple trick is to lightly place your tongue between your teeth and blow air out gently. Let's move on to linking sounds. In spoken English, words often connect, making it sound like one long word. For example, I want to eat becomes I want to eat. Did you see it? Sounds like did ya see it? Practicing these connections will help you sound more fluent and natural. Here's how you can practice your pronunciation. First, listen carefully to native speakers. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or enjoy music in English. Focus on how they pronounce words and phrases. Second, repeat after them. Pause a video or audio clip and mimic the speaker's pronunciation. This is called shadowing, and it's a great way to train your ear and improve your accent. Third, record yourself. Play it back and compare your pronunciation to a native speaker. Notice the differences and adjust your practice accordingly. Here are some tips to keep improving your pronunciation. Focus on one sound at a time. For example, practice the TH sound until it feels natural, then move on to other challenging sounds. Use online tools or apps that provide pronunciation practice. Many of them have features that let you hear words and repeat them. Practice tongue twisters. They're fun and challenging. Try saying, she sells seashells by the seashore, or the 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Improving pronunciation takes time, but every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and engaging English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to improve your pronunciation and speak English with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.